5:45, 49, and we are ready to go. So we are right now by the engine to put on some petrol and buy some snacks to take with for hiking, and then we are going to continue driving for about, I think, 40 minutes. And whoever wants to go to the toilet, they better go to the toilet now. And it's still dark, can you see? Yeah. We are here early in the morning. It's still dark. It's around 7. No, it's actually 8 o'clock. That's why it's open. So here where you put all your data in detail. And here is the entrance. You can see by the board which hiking or which trail you want to go. There's a beginner one, intermediate, and I think advanced. Okay, wait a moment. We'll go first. Let's go. Yellow hiking. This is like a beginner. I think we're gonna do the beginner one. Advanced and expert. Wow. We have arrived in the parking lot. So yeah, so that's our team over there. Jasper, not so close, son. Look at this one. Wow. We are welcomed by the nature. Can you see? Woo, this is such a fresh breath of air. Wow, look at this. Auntie Zoe is so excited. Look at this one. Lovely. Yeah. So we're going on this.
Don't mind, I'm a temperature official.
Yeah, don't touch it, yeah? Don't take it.
It's so beautiful.
Yeah. Protea, national flower of South Africa. Just wait a moment. Look at the trail. So rocky. It's our team. Look at me, I'm so cold. I wish the Jasper, not yet sun. I hope the sun will come out soon because it's quite cold at the moment. But we're enjoying the nature. I love it. Actually, from here we can actually see the rocks close like that one. I can literally see the rocks here. So make sure that you actually step on the proper stone because otherwise you can twist your ankle. So be careful. So if you train your child properly and prepare your child properly, we can do this beginner hike here. So I mean, look at my son. Hey, slowly. Okay. They are about to bloom actually. They are still like, they're about to bloom, yeah. It's cute. Yeah, getting quite warm, yeah.
But my face is so hot.
Oh wow. Yeah. A small glimpse of the waterfall. You need to go and hold this.
Yeah, it should be good.
Yeah.
Got it? All right.
Woo!
Slowly.
Can I capture?
You go off.
Oh!
Feels like a real hiker. Are you okay?
Can I give you a hand?
Okay. There's the waterfall. We can see it from this distance. Maybe because it's winter, it's full of water now. So cool.
Guys, I found something.
And it's still good. Are you still good?
Mommy, I found something.
This one is a leader. He's always in front. And he's still running.
Rattlesnake, you said, Auntie Zoe?
Yeah, apparently this is a rattle flower.
Is it edible?
Can you ring it again?
Oh.
Let me see. Why the ring? Can you see? Can you hear?
It's so cute.
Ooh, this one's good.
Oh, I thought it's a snake.
Rattle flower.
Okay.
It's like, yes, this is the...
No, you have to let us know. We don't know.
I go nuts with nature. It's just, I love nature.
Actually, thank you for telling us because we won't know.
I wonder how you do that. That's so fun.
We're basically by the entrance of this waterfall. And it's windy, it's cold, it's dark. Hiking in winter. Yeah, you walk first. See there, a small path. Come on. We have arrived in our destination, first waterfall. Isn't it beautiful? And take a moment and enjoy the nature. Wow. No, we're not swimming. We're not swimming. We're definitely not swimming. It's so cold. It's so dark. We don't want to get hypothermia. Okay, from here, you can actually see the... Jangan lari. You running like that. Come. Look here. Come sit here. Sit. Nice. Don't look down so far. Just enough. This boy is too brave. We go to the second waterfall. There you go.
Floating through here. You have to
Wow.
hop on rocks.
Do we have to cross this? Wow. This is... We see the glimpse of the second waterfall. Yeah. The weather has changed a little bit, so it's a bit windy. On the other side of the mountain it's sunny, but we are actually in the depth, in the valley, so there's no... Hey, wait. So there's no actually sun over here. Let me show you. It's kind of like mist. Yeah. But we keep going and continue. Let's see. So you can see the mist over there. Second waterfall. It's so steep here. So if you want to walk this side, you have to literally look at my breath. You have to literally be careful. Can you see there? We're basically in the second waterfall right now. The trek to go here is a little bit different. It's more challenging. So yeah. But I mean, my baby boy can do that. And the view. So cool. Look at that view. Now we're having lunch. Bye.
Whoa, that was really cool. Now let me try for the bigger one. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
Yee. Oopsie.
Let me throw it in a small pond. Isn't that beautiful? Let me try some small pebbles. Some small pebbles. Did you see that? I'm letting them slip. Different places. Oh, I almost got it. Amy?
So I think that is done. After we have lunch, we just enjoy the nature here around here,
No way I'm gonna get it.
and I think we're going to head back to our parking lot, and we are done for the day. So up to till here we got how much steps? Let me see. So up to second waterfall we have 7,800 steps, which is not bad actually. A little challenge that is like a little difficulties that we have here is just the trek to the second waterfall, which is a bit steep, but it's still manageable. You can bring your kids here and then it's still okay to go through that. Yeah, so it is child friendly trekking also. So but obviously the child that you take here need to have practice before they actually try. Careful. Okay,
Hey, what are you
that's
looking
it.
at?
Then we're gonna go back home. The sun is finally out, so we're not so cold anymore, and it's good. So for me, downhill is a bit better than uphill, but for most of them, downhill is harder than uphill. So yeah, but anyways, thank you so much for watching my video, and see you again in the next video. Bye. Look at all this protea. Look at all this protea, son. So pretty. All the protea.